how to fix Instagram live screen not working. First of all, you need to go to the Play Store or the App Store that is on your device. Then you need to search Instagram. See if there is any update of Instagram. Here you can see the option of open instead of update. That means I have already updated my Instagram app. Once you have updated, the second thing you can do is go to the settings on your device, scroll down and tap on apps. Now tap on app management at the top of the screen and search Instagram. You'll get access to this app info page of Instagram where you can scroll down and tap on stories uses. Now you need to tap on clear cache to clear all the cache of Instagram. Once you have done that, go back to the settings page again, or else you can go back to the app info page of Instagram as well and tap on permissions. Make sure you have enabled all the apps permission of Instagram. If not, select it and tap on allow. In the similar way, do the same for every apps. Once you are done with doing this step, you can easily fix Instagram live screen not working problem. Hope so this video was helpful for you. If this was, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.